Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create an affiliate marketing site where you can add your affiliate products and start getting commission whenever your product gets sales. So as you can see, I have added a few products right here that are affiliated. To create a website like this one, you first need to create an e-commerce website. If you want to learn how to create an e-commerce website like this one, you can check the previous video that will be available in the description. You can see the video and you can create a website like this one. So let's see how you can add affiliate product. So first of all, you need to go to WordPress admin panel by clicking here dashboard, and here you can access your WordPress admin panel and you can add some affiliate products by here. So you can see the products page. You can go here and click add new, and there you can add some products. So to add a product, you first need to find a product that you want to add. So I'm going to amazon.com. So I'm going to pick a product that I will add to the site. So let's see, we want this one. Click on the click on the product, and here you can select the title, coffee mug, and I'm going to paste it right here, product name. So it's here. So you can add a media, and I'm going to copy some description as well. I'm going to paste right here and also right here, and it is a product short description. So you can add a short description right here and a long description right here, and here you can choose a category. I'm going to choose mugs, and here you can add some tags, coffee, sorry for spelling mistake, maybe mugs, or maybe steel mug, sorry. Okay, click add, and here you can add some other tags as well. And if you want to add a product image, you have to scroll down and you can set a product image. So I'm going to set a product image right here. I'm going to upload a new file, and let's select this one. And after uploading, you have to simply click on set product image, or you can add some alt text, title, caption and description as well. So set product image, it will be shown right here. It's added, and now we have to add a affiliate link. To do this, you have to simply click here and select external affiliate product, and here you can paste your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you can simply visit for Amazon Associates and click on the link, and here you can sign up and register your account to get your affiliate link. So let's click on sign up. Here you can fill up these details and create your Amazon account, and you can create your own referral links, and then you can add on the product page. For now, I'm going to add this link right here. So here you can add a regular price. So let's see, it's right here for $22.99. So I'm going to add sale price for $22.99, and for the main price, let's add 29.99, and for now 22.99. So after putting all the details, you have to simply click on publish, and you can see, so our product has been updated. So to check our product, you have to simply visit the site and go to all products, and here you can see, here is our product which we have added. If you click on the product, and you will see you have all the description right here which we have added, the title, the image, the main price, the sale price. And whenever you click on this one, or your user will click right here, your user will be redirected to the link that you have set. So That's how you can add some products and start making some commission by adding some products. So let's see, if your user click on your other websites products like this one, it will be add this option, add to cart. But if you add affiliate product, it will show the direct option to buy this product right here, like this one, buy product. So if you want to change some description of product, you can go to products again, and here you can, or simply you can do this by clicking right here, edit product, and you will be redirected to the editing page where you can change the title, change the description, change the categories. You can add a new tags, or you can change the website, change the product image. So yeah, that's how you can add multiple products to your website, and you can get commissions whenever your product gets sales. So if you want to do this stuff automated, like you don't want to add a product and change the details every time the price get updated, so you want to make your life easier, then you can use a simple plugin named WooCommerce Amazon Affiliates. It's a WordPress plugin which you can use. So let's search for WooCommerce Affiliate plugin. Here you have to click on the link right here, and it's a here is a plugin which you can get for $49, and it will do all the work for you. You have to simply give the product ID, which you can get from here. It's the product ID which you can pass to this plugin, and it will fetch all the details and all the reviews, all the images, description as well, and a lot more. So you can get this plugin if you want to get fully functional affiliate marketing business. I hope you have learned how you can add affiliate products to your e-commerce website. So that's how you can make some money by adding some affiliate products. So if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.